Oh! Ow! Ow! Baby, no, it's gonna go on the.
Today's video is sponsored by SmoothSat. The VeezyKids picked up the SmoothSat E9 Pro. The E9 Pro Kids electric scooter has an LED display that clearly shows you the battery level, scooting mode, and riding speed. It has 3 different speeds, up to 5 miles, 8 miles, and 10 miles an hour.
The folded size is only 29 by 14 by 10 and weighs only 14 pounds. Just have to click this button here and it's folded up, ready to go, one-handed.
Ow.
The SmoothSat E9 Pro comes with 3 adjustable heights, from 32 to 35 to 37 inches, making this thing suitable for anybody.
Like me?
And me.
Around her height to his height, and they ride it comfortably. Sometimes when the kids ain't around, I take their SmoothSat.
We wanted to show you this in the dark. There are flashing rainbow LED lights along the deck of this scooter. Discover it yourself by pressing this button.
Oh, they're so bright. Now you can ride at night. Guys, check out our coupon and purchase link below and let them know that the VeezyKids sent you. Thanks, SmoothSat! What is up, Cuffaros?
You're not Paul Cuffaro.
Oh. Hey, VeezyKids! Today we got a huge feeding episode for you. We're gonna show most of the animals. The hogs are screaming at us because we haven't fed them yet. What are you doing? Ryanna's in Michigan on a vacation, so we're gonna call her up. These guys got an amazing dance, but just stick around, we got a show for you. The first animal that we like to feed in the VZ house are the tortoises. Anthony, what are we feeding them today?
Some lettuce. And this.
All right.
And then take this much.
It's a lot of lettuce.
What?
How many tortoises we got?
We got 4.
You remember their names?
No. I only remember Larry.
Boom! Eat up! Oh man, they're gonna be full. They'll probably take a nap after. So I spray it right in here, right over them. Make sure their water's good. Yep. And that's it.
That's it.
Tortoises are done for the day. All right, VeezyKids, the next animal that we feed are gonna be the dogs.
Each dog eats a little more than 1 cup, and we feed them twice a day.
Yo, slow down, bro. Slow down. Can I have a little? Just a little for me? Ow.
Next up, we feed the water turtles.
Oh, those hogs are screaming. Just wait, we'll be there in a second. Hey, VeezyKids, this is our map turtle. It's like a something map turtle. I don't think we've named him yet. So if you guys got some cool names, let us know in the comments. We drop him some pellets. He loves the pellets and he likes little minnows, but we don't have any minnows today.
Now for the Florida soft shell turtles, so.
We got minnows left in there?
Yeah, we got a bunch of minnows.
So they like to hide all day long in the sand. We literally got to find them, but we are going to find them for you to see how big they've got. There's one of them. Hey! Bite me. Hey, there's the other guy. All right, so we're gonna drop them some food now, but for some reason they don't eat in front of us, so they're probably gonna go hiding as soon as we let them go, and then come up later and eat the food.
He's going under.
I see your butt, bro.
We're gonna feed the hogs. Here they are. The hogs get 3 scoops every morning. It looks tasty.
Try it. Can't wait to eat them. No?
No. Mama, Daddy, Batman.
And the babies. Oh my God.
He's folding. These guys get 2 scoops and the babies get 1.
You guys remember when these guys never used to be able to be touched or anybody to go around them? Look at the babies. And a little bit right here for the ones that can't get it. Watch this. 1. Hi. Hello. How are you? Oh, yes, you are good. Oh, yes, you are. Oh, they let you touch them. Except this one. You. Let's try. Hey, come here. Let me pet you. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Hi, buddy.
It's gonna break.
What's gonna break?
Dance break!
Took that sauce and fed that to the street. Sliding it like a wet flow. Already fried from the get-go. Alligators look like gecko. Everything I do, they echo. Big facts, my bank on big man. My drip too wet, that spit can. Yo, swap me like Q-tips. Hold it there like dip can. No rehearse, need no reverb. Hold your lip, don't say 3 words. Quick trip to get that lick. Broad tree fur if you prefer. Quick ride, no time, I'm in there. She clockwise, real good skincare.
All right, guys, we always take care of our animals. They eat better than us most of the time. Mama Veezy brought a whole bunch of watermelons, so we're gonna share the love, dude.
Yeah.
Throw him one. Whip it, baby. No, it's gonna go on the doing. Ew. Hogs ain't playing. Oh, where are you going, bro? Bro, it's supposed to be for the pigs.
I'm gone. Yeah.
Oh, you guys like that? Is that
I got more!
what the heck?
Woo!
These kids doing?
Next up, my favorite, the duck!
Whoever gets the farthest yeet gets $10. First up, Anthony. Next up, Alyssa. Next up, Jayla.
I got farther than Alyssa.
What the heck happened?
I got farther than anybody!
My turn.
Oh no. Next up, goats.
Boots. Show me something, Boots. Hey. Oh.
The babies are right here because.
Oh. Oscar just crushed a little baby. And then we got somebody that's underneath somebody. It's like WWE pandemonium in this place.
Chloe under boots. That's not Chloe.
Who is it?
That's Kim. Next up, Lady May and Mango.
Where are you running from? Oh. Now we really feed the llamas. You want to try some? Try it first. If it's good, I'll give it to you. Tell me if you like it. It's good? Half and half, half and half. And these guys got their moms to eat off of, so they don't get this food. This grain is just for lactating llamas. Say it with me. Lactating llamas. And we also give them some good TNA alfalfa hay. So we usually put the hay right here, break it all up for them. And it goes against the fence so the goats eat some too. There, goats. That's for you today. What the heck happened here?
On last episode, Maria Exclusa commented, so she wins some free VEEZY Kid merch.
Guys, it's simple, super simple. Be a subscriber. Comment down below. You're automatically entered to win some free VEEZY Kid merch. Llama, llama, llama!
Llama!
Llama! Next up, the chickens in the chicken coop.
Chicken, chicken, chicken.
Guys, I'm seeing some of the chickens, the baby chicks, already big enough to be on the roost bar. Hey bro, hey bro. Soon they're gonna be out of their hole here and be able to hit the run and hang out. Look at the duck. We gotta give them one more.
Chicken, chicken, chicken.
Yeah. A whole bunch of water in case y'all get thirsty. All right, guys, get big and lay eggs tomorrow. Ow, ow.
The dog! He got so big!
Yo, did you guys know that YouTube likes? Isn't that crazy? The way that they show our video to more people and help us blow up is by you guys liking the video, sharing the video, and commenting like crazy on the video. I don't even care what you say. Say whatever you want to say. Say Jayla's kooky. Comment down Jayla's kooky. If you guys comment Jayla's kooky 100 times, next episode I'll give somebody $100. Maybe one of y'all.
So each of you have to say that 100 times on there.
Hey, Kevin, welcome to the party, homie. Fanatic's live stream he did last night on TikTok, he said that his Bobby could beat up Gary. Ow, ow, ow!
Now we're gonna feed the big pond.
Where's Oki?
Right here.
Hey, bro, the fish are gonna eat you.
The fish.
There's some giant pacu in there.
What are we eating? Oh, no.
Bruh.
It went.
You can't eat duck food. Hey, oh!
He's eating frogs.
In this spot right here, we're gonna have a big greenhouse built where we're gonna be growing fruits and vegetables and dog food.
Huh?
You can't grow that.
Hector's gonna come by and we're gonna have a massive build here in the future. Check it out when it comes.
Thank you guys for watching today's video. Hit the bell icon and join the Noti Gang. Subscribe, become a VEEZY Kid.
Like us! Hey, you don't have to swim faster than the shark. You just have to be able to swim faster than one of your friends.
They're getting worse.